Should I even say it? Do I need to even say it? We're shopping again, y'all. Home Depot. What we get?
Stay up. What am I, how do you work this thing? Oh, there you go. Alright, let's open this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but maybe I can throw all this shit in the trash and put him and Voorhees right there. Yeah. 3 times. I tried to get this and was unsuccessful. That is a big boot. Unsuccessful, I tell you. So I got put on the mailing list. I missed it last time. This time I got put on the mailing list and I almost missed it. It was glitching and it was sold out again within an hour. People are reselling these things for like $600+ when they only cost 3 and some change. 2 and some change. $300. $300. 7-foot animated Vader. Pumpkin style or Halloween style. So you get an ornament or a pumpkin. A red saber or candy cane saber. How about that? We'll see. This is what it looks like so far. Boots. Big boots with styrofoam in them. And what the box look like. Oh, those boots are huge. It's a lot of stuff. But you got a pumpkin or an ornament, but it's just not a normal ornament. Look at that, y'all. It's a fucking Death Star. Oh, that's epic. Details. I don't know what that is. It's creepy looking though. It looks like lungs. All right, let's get the rest of this unpacked. Got almost everything laid out, but as I was putting the box to the side, I just noticed it's got directions on the box too. I think that's pretty awesome. Death Star. All right. That's gonna be annoying. I don't like closed themed stuff. So let's get some sort of order to this madness. Yeah. All right. So I got a space where I think I can put this together. Any recommendations as of yet so far? No. Read the directions. It does say once you put the figure in, when it refers to left and right, it's from the character's point of view. So pay attention to that and leave the foam pieces attached to a lot of the stuff because it's supposed to stay there. And don't put that on. So first thing first is going to be the stand right there. And then those pieces that are right there. So let's do that. All right, we're going to do the first cube. And when I say cube, I mean this block. We're going to assemble the first block. A little bit of orientation. E is going to be his left foot. And then front and back, you can tell by the angle right here. And that's pretty much the only thing I see that might trick some people up, is the orientation of that. So I'm gonna double speed this up and let's knock it out. Here we go. There's that. I forgot to put the base on, so I had to redo that. There's little slits in the foot. You'll see how that goes. All right, I think next is gonna be clothing. That's on. Once you get the legs over the legs, this has some Velcro. You can open it up, drape it down. You wanna have your plug ready. You wanna have this halo looking. Pull the styrofoam off. And same thing. It's got a little piece here, a little push button there. Little push button has the hole. Can you see the hole? Hole right there. So it's going to orientate That way, plug in miscellaneous stuff that's already on there. Hopefully, it will tell us. Alright. What we're gonna do there. Look, L for lungs. Alright, so let me double check placement of this and we'll do it. This slides in place right there. Now this one has a sticker on it also. Before turning on, make sure the costume and cables do not come in contact with any of the moving parts. Yep, obviously. So when we set this on, just want to make sure everything is nice and coherent. So we'll look for this piece right here, will tell us where to orientate it. Looks like this is going to be the spine that hooks into it. So let me move the camera over there and we see what we got going on. Cool. I did make a mistake. I'll show it to you real quick. My plug-in adapter that I plugged in here because it fit does not go there. It goes right here. So this piece slides in right here. Cool. Now I think we gotta put the wardrobe on a little more. But I want to slide this out so I got more working room. So we'll be right back. Sweet. The next thing is to put the clothing back on. Let me get the arm. Alright, there he is so far. This is the back side. That's his booty. There's the booty. Left arm, right arm. This is going to be number O. It's going to be left arm. Number P, or letter P, it's going to be right arm. So the trick now is this has got the plug-in on this side. So this is going to go in. You got to reach through the sleeve and fill 2 tabs right about here that this is going to slide into. Then reach in there, find that plug that I unplugged the adapter to because I messed up, and it plugs in here. Let's grab this piece. This is going to be one of these. Go ahead and pull the sticker off of this so it doesn't stay and leave glue on there like that. Like it is. Big end goes towards the body. It says open the hook and loop closure of the eye costume's right sleeve before sliding in P, the arm. So that means that should open some. So let's turn this thing around. Let's check it out. So far my only complaint is the stickers on this thing is just horrible. Alright, hook and loop and or Velcro. Nice. That makes it way easier. That's because this guy moves. And which way is he gonna go? Is it going like this or is it going like that? So that means he, with the elbow, hooks in up there somewhere. Patient. I'm gonna take his skirt off again. Because I want to see. Aha! It goes right here. So we can feed him in from this side. The harness out of the styrofoam. There you go. Can you see that? There's 3 of them. And I'm assuming it's going to go to these 3 here, and they should all be different size pins. Yep, and be pretty self-explanatory. Like this one's a male, and that one's a female. 2 pins, and then this is a 4 pin. You can't mess that up. So that's pretty easy. So let's plug these in. Four pin, click. Well, no, one's a 2-pin, one's a 3-pin, one's a 4-pin, but nevertheless, they're color-coded correctly, which is pretty awesome. In case you wonder, like black on black, green on green, blah blah blah, red on red. Sweet. That's done. All right.
On an industrial sewing machine so I can start practicing that piece up. Just want to.
Rotate him a little more. We got the little tab. Push it in there. Click. And boom.
For the sword, there's my slip.
This shoulder piece on. So I'm going to skip ahead just to take a look because I don't recall some more empty wires inside. Okay, it tells me to do it on 7. All right, we'll keep going like instructions say. So next is this shield piece, which is right here. And it has all that. So you got to fish those through the holes, orientate it to front, and then we've got some Velcro here that I'm sure that is going to go to. Sorry, I forgot to hit play. It was easier to do it from the back side, so you could watch the 2 pins. 2 pins has got to go through a hole through here and a hole through that plastic piece. So, wasn't too bad. Just, this thing's getting pretty tall and I'm short. So, it's not funny, y'all. Not funny at all. All right, now it says to click on the waist piece, which is this. So I want to take the sticker off. Surprisingly, this will fit. Yeah, anyway. So there should be some Velcro right there on the sides. Push the wire through. I can feel it. That's weird. I'm sorry, Mr. Vader. I did not mean to do that. Picture. It has this unraveled. So I am going to unravel it. Even though I don't think it's needed. But I'm only going to go that far. I don't know, maybe go a little more, just in case. All right, we're going to go that far. Put it through the hole. Stick him in his pins. That's that part. So I was actually supposed to do this piece before that, but whatever. So now I'm going to reach around the back. Probably plug him in. Head to do. Where's his head? Yeah, that's it. So all I got left to do is plug this piece in, plug those 3 in, stick his head on, his cape, turn him on. So let me grab those parts. Sweet. Got his hand on. Sort of. That's fine. Stickers. I'll get it later. All right, let's grab the head. It's just weird. Pulling the head out of the box. That thing is huge. Let me get a step ladder. I think I'm kidding. To put this on. I'll be right back. Sweet. All I got left to do is climb that step ladder and put this cape on. And then a saber of choice. So far, a pretty easy build. No bolts, nuts, screws, nothing like that. I don't like the stickers being so sticky, but can't help that. Only thing I'm disappointed about is there's no lights for the eyes. I think as a Halloween statuette or Christmas, his eyes should light up no matter what. But there's plenty of room inside that head to put stuff and to wire to the existing plug-in for LEDs of any sort. So let's wrap this cape around him. Find the, yep, there we go. Find the Velcro. And get to wrapping. Down there in the middle. Yep, right there. To kind of hold everything in place. Oh, he's got shoulder pads, y'all. Who knew? Who flipping knew? I didn't know. Did you know? Ha! That thing is huge. I know that light over there is horrible, but it's what we got to work with. So we're gonna put this on. I did notice this tilts a little over, and in the manufacturer they tried to staple it. Didn't work. So I will, see that? I will glue that down myself, because I know $300 it should be right, but no big deal. I forgot a sticker. I spent a couple of minutes getting stickers off. I forgot this one. We know I love stickers, just not on stuff that I want to display. All right. This screws in. Uh-oh, I might not have enough room. Let's plug it in and see what happens. I have not, I think it's still on off. Oh. But sometimes off is store display mode. Oh, it moved. Oh shit. You got me. That was funny. Uh-huh.
We would be honored if you would join us for this holiday celebration. My master requests your presence. Join me, and this season you will be a powerful ally.
Watch where you wave that thing, buddy. Sweet. I like it. I didn't break nothing. All right. That's that. Appreciate you watching. I like it. Already a collector piece because people are already reselling them. It's crazy. Have a good day.
I find your lack of holiday cheer disturbing.